Hey friends, I brought my meat grinder in for repair. When I turn it on, it makes a loud, strange noise. Let's listen. I pulled out the engine and gearbox. As you can see, the gearbox here is very powerful. To disassemble it, we need to unscrew all the screws. I'll check the condition of the gears and also run the engine without the gearbox to determine where the problem lies. This is the first time I've encountered metal gears in a meat grinder gearbox. Only 2 gears are plastic. I'll remove them now and check the motor. I checked the motor separately and it works perfectly. As far as I can tell, the problem is the used lubricant. Since the gears here are metal, they're most likely making the noise. I'll remove the old lubricant now and apply new grease specifically for gears. Then I'll reassemble the gearbox. I lubricated the gears and assembled the gearbox. Now let's check how it works. As you can hear, the noise has almost completely disappeared, which means it was due to a lack of lubrication. Metal gears have the advantage of not breaking, but they do make a lot of noise. I've collected it, let's check it. That seems to be all. The repair, or rather, the grinder maintenance, is complete. It turns out the old grease had gotten sticky and dirty. I removed it and applied new grease, and the sound returned to normal. That's all for now, friends. Subscribe and see you in the next videos. Bye!